shot because you could see just the little flickers of the lightning that was in the storm cell that was just ahead of where he was. And that's where it is, kind of just on the tail fringe end of the box of the severe thunderstorm warning that was for that area as the storm system was moving through. This getting ready to expire. We've had reports of strong winds, some heavy downpours at times, of course, just a lot of lightning that has been out there as well. So right now, again, this really kind of impacting Shea Boulevard just to the east of the 101. And this is going to continue to lift off to the northeast as we head through the next 30 minutes. These are fast moving storm cells. So when they drop that rain, it feels like a lot in that moment, but really most places around the valley haven't picked up too much rain. So again, this will begin to track probably heading into the Rio Verde area as we head through the next 30 minutes. And then we'll see if it holds together as it makes its way up towards Payson. So we'll be monitoring that. East part of the state, this has been the active area today. We had 3 tornado warnings up in the Gila County area, in and around the Show Low, and then just kind of south of Show Low today. You can see we still have some isolated showers really all along the 60 from Globe all the way up through Show Low, and still seeing that heavy activity from Show Low up through Holbrook there along the 77, and then even further east of there, just to the west of St. John's. We've got those isolated storm cells that are dropping some heavier rain. Storm system, or the center of this low, is now actually kind of just right over the valley. So it's going to continue to track to the northeast, which means we'll push a lot of that moisture out of the area, but still have that chance for the isolated shower thunderstorm cells that are behind it to push into the valley as we head through the rest of the night. So we still have that severe thunderstorm watch for all the areas you see here in pink. That includes Metro Phoenix until 8 p.m. tonight because of the potential of more storms to come our way. Again, most areas getting right around about 1/4 of an inch of rain here in the valley, some just around 1/10 of an inch of rain. That's what we were expecting out of this storm system, but we have much higher totals up in the high country. Over 1 inch in Flagstaff and Winslow, over 3/4 of an inch for Prescott, just over 1/2 an inch in Sedona. I'm seeing right around 1/4 of an inch right now so far in Show Low. Again, rain still falling for you, so that number will go up throughout the night tonight. So as we track through the rest of the evening and into the start of the day tomorrow, you noticed how that pushed very quickly out of our area. Just going to be dealing with the sunshine to start off the day, and then clouds heading into the night. 85 was our afternoon high today. We're going to jump to 91 for tomorrow. Stay there as we head into our Thursday, and then the next system begins to drop in. Only a 10% chance to see some valley rain on our Friday. Looks like most of the rain will be up and around the Flagstaff area as that low is sweeping through, but it does drop in that cooler air, which takes our temperatures into the 80s starting on Friday, and they stay there all the way through next week.
When storms hit, turn to the